Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the timer options. So simply tap on the delay you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds. It is immediately highlighted. We can also see it in the shutter button. So let's tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, you can of course turn it off, just go back to those options and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.